Hey guys, Alexis here with Soulfield Leather, and oh, come on, man. Yeah, you can join, but just don't say anything, and don't say anything. Just stand there. So anyway, this video is just gonna be a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a chin strap. I'm sorry, not a chin strap. A glove strap. Firefighter glove strap. So, I'm not gonna build one here. I'll put a link in the description up here on my glove strap build. You can also go on my website, soulfieldleather.com. Links are in the description to see different colors and all that. So, this is not a build video, it's just I wanna give away a glove strap. And I'm gonna I'm gonna explain to you how to enter the giveaway, and at the end of this video, which is not going to be a long video, we're basically at the end already, so I have to fill in some stuff. Yeah, listen, you can stay there, but you can't cross this line here. You can't cross the middle. That's how I actually edit this video and make us both in this scene at the same time. No, that's what I'm talking about. If you do that, you see what I'm saying? Like, that's how I actually do this. So you can't. How about, can lasers go over? I think lasers can go over. All right, I'm gonna do a shoe laser. You wanna test? All right. Small. I'm gonna go elbow. That does. It works. Hey, you know what? You know what? With all due offense and all due disrespect, 100%. I actually, remember I told you before I actually don't like you? Well, the truth is, with all due offense, of course, is that's still the case. I still don't like you. Okay, so the way, the way you enter is real simple. I'm gonna do a shameless plug here. I have a new album that I just released. All right, I put links in the description. It's called South Second. It's kind of like a chill, lo-fi instrumental album. If you guys don't mind, if you could give that a peek, a listen, and let me know in the comments below, it's painful, dude, which is your favorite track. Of course, in the description, I have links to Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. I'm everywhere. Just look up Alexis Ortiz Soulfield. I put a little overlay right here. Oh, by the way, overlays can go over the middle too, apparently. So, yeah, the link are in the description. You can find me everywhere. And also, yeah, find me there. In the comments below, put down what's your favorite track on this album and why, and how do you see yourself, what do you see yourself doing while you're listening to this music? And of course, I am a realist. I'm sure a lot of you are probably not gonna like it. So in the comments below, if you hate this track, tell me why you hate it and what would you be doing while you're listening to this? Like, for example, like you got caught, you're in war and you got caught, and for torture, instead of taking your eyeballs out, they make you listen to this. Something like that. And yeah, let me know. And then that's it. That's all I got for you. It's just another excuse to make a video. I'm just being 100% honest. Double West Shoe Laser. All right. That, everyone, why do you watch me? That literally was a waste of your life. You just wasted maybe 7 minutes of your entire life.
Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. I wanna thank you and everybody for watching. Thank you for subscribing.